Welcome to the Northwest Demolition Concrete Recycling Program. Our service transforms unwanted concrete and other products, such as asphalt and brick, into a valuable resource. The first step is to downsize the material using our track excavator, fitted with concrete pulverizer jaws. The broken concrete is then fed into our horizontal impact crusher. The crusher is designed to safely reduce the rubble at a high rate of speed. Production rates of 200 to 300 tons per hour are common. The concrete is broken into manageable pieces for the processing equipment. The universal processor is an efficient, relatively quiet device that produces very little dust and is highly controllable. Any steel embedded in the rubble is electromagnetically separated during processing. The separated steel is then stockpiled for delivery to a scrap steel dealer. Our process can produce a range of material sizes based on our customers' needs. To produce a finish grade 1-inch minus material, a screening plant is employed in unison with the impact crusher. All materials larger than 1 inch are fed back through the system for reprocessing. All materials under the 1-inch size are discharged onto a stacking conveyor. Crushed concrete is an excellent structural material, meeting or exceeding most compaction requirements for building or roading projects. The recycled concrete product can often be used at the project site as part of the new development, saving the cost of importing new material. Reusing the materials on site greatly reduces truck traffic to and from the work area. Our processing plant is fitted with a range of dust suppression systems, including fogger nozzles, within the impactor chamber. The plant is self-contained and readily portable. It produces comparatively low levels of noise, as shown in the following comparison. Measurements were taken from the north, south, east, and west sides to compare if the sound was directional. The results from the four sides were very similar. Typical operation of our processing plant, with the auxiliary equipment feeding it, produces approximately 90 decibels of sound at 50 feet. By 200 feet from the source, the sound is down to approximately 80 decibels. Sound levels from the concrete downsizing procedure was also measured. Typical values at 200 feet were less than 76 decibels. Even at 50 feet from the source, sound levels were less than 86 decibels. The sound volume was extremely constant. In comparison, loading a truck to export the materials off-site was significantly louder and produces a spiked sound signature as the materials hit the truck box. Sound levels at 200 feet from the source exceeded 92 decibels. At 50 feet, the sound levels spiked to greater than 105 decibels. Using the latest environmental safeguards, our concrete recycling program safely and effectively transforms waste products into a valuable resource. We're proof to the marketplace that our environmentally friendly approach pays to reduce, reuse, and recycle. We hope you have enjoyed this brief introduction to the Northwest Demolition Concrete Recycling Program. Please do not hesitate to contact us at 503-638-6900 or through our website at www.nwdemolition.com.